Hello, our big Duroc female, she has given piglet yesterday, and now she's sleeping and feeding milk to the babies. All babies are drinking milk. Mostly, she has given 11 piglets. She has given 11 piglets, but one is a little bit weak, but she is also drinking milk. And there are 6 male and 5 female. Whole night I could not sleep because I have to take care of them. So today I'm feeling sleepy, and maybe I will sleep after sometimes. After going church, when I will come back from the church, I will sleep. And another female also here. She will give birth on 4th April. She is almost ready. Another female Duroc. She is almost ready. She has a big stomach. I think she will also give some 9-10 piglets. We hope so. And it takes still we have a time for 7 days, 1 week. After 1 week she will give a birth. Father is there, but I cannot take the photos. Very big father is here, very big Duroc. And we have other pig also here, 15 piglets. Thank you. We have another farm there, another site, but now I'm taking care of this newborn piglets, so I will not go there. Thank you so much. God bless you. Have a good day.